Hi friends, this is the costliest unboxing I have ever done in this channel. It's going to be the costliest unboxing for a while. A lot of you might have a question, did I bought this mobile phone with my YouTube income? The answer is absolutely not. Because I haven't earned even a single rupee from this channel because I haven't monetized. And friends, I bought this mobile phone with my entire saving from the past 1 year, which I made through my commissioned artworks and going to some jobs. Friends, first of all, if you want to earn on YouTube, you want to achieve a minimum of 1000 subscribers, which you have made on 2nd December, and a 4000 hours of watch time as a total in the past 1 year. And it is very tough because in the past 1 year, by making 190 plus videos, I just got 944 hours of watch time. Because in our channel, the average watch time lies between 40 seconds to 1 minute and 20 seconds. It could be any video, a 3-minute video or a 4-minute video or a 10-minute video or a 16-minute video. The average watch time lies between 40 seconds and 1 minute 20 seconds. And friends, only 2% of the audience of our channel are watching my videos completely. The rest of the 98% of the audience are just going to skip the video. For entertainment channel, at least the average watch time would be like 50 to 60%. From my friend's channel, I have seen that. But in our channel, we just have less than 30%. It could be any videos. Even though the videos which I made for 1 week just been watched by people for 1 minute. So yeah, it hurts, but actually that's the truth. And friends, if you think I can get out of it, you can help me. You can just go and share your favorite videos from our channel to your friends and ask them to support, and that will be great. And friends, I don't want to be a millionaire or a billionaire. I just want to make a living with art. I just want to be a person who does art for a living. If I can make very good videos and if it is watched by a lot of people, I can make some money out of it. And by the way, I can do that for my rest of my life. And I just want to be a person like that. I don't want to be a person who have lots and lot of properties. So I hope I'll be on that point. We don't have anything in our hands, it's just God's grace. So I hope I'll be having lot more support from you, and if I can have a lot more support, I can be on that mark one day, and that will be great. So because YouTube promotes the videos which gets a lot of likes per views and which have higher rates of average watch time, and if I can have these two things from you, the YouTube will promote my videos to a lot more people. By the way, we can get a lot more exposure and get a lot more audience and to enter into our family. So that's it friends, I hope you got the point, and if you got the point, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and support better. Please go and watch some of my art videos, it will be great. And thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.